John on whatchawearing.com, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick demo of Spotify app on Android Wear. Okay, so any Android Wear smartwatch, this is how the Spotify is going to show up. Okay, so here it is. It shows up like that, and the loads pretty quickly. This is going to control it on your mobile device. It's not going to play out of your watch speaker, as far as I know. I've never done that. I can do that on the Samsung S3 Gear, although it doesn't really matter. I prefer listening to it through the mobile device to have my headphones in there anyway. It sounds a lot better. So basically what happens is when you press this, and you won't hear this because I'm speaking into a mic, but it's kind of annoying because it automatically starts playing. So I'm going to hit that, and it's just going to start playing one of the songs on the device. All right, so then it goes away like that, and then you've got to try to find now. This is where I get frustrated about the whole thing, because I'm trying to find there we go. Okay, so now okay, so that's, you can see why it's a little bit frustrating, because now then you got to swipe up and try to find, I guess, the Spotify notification and control it from there. And then once you're in there, okay, we've got this, we can pull that up. We should be able to. Okay, and there we go. And now you can actually control your volume up and down here. You're not going to hear this again because I'm on mic. And then you can play. And you could skip forward and so forth. And now you're not hearing this. There we go. Somehow you have to. There we go. And then you go back and you can pause it and then go swipe again and go up and down. So sometimes it takes a little bit just to find where that song is, and then you can pause it or then swipe again and jump into this screen, and you can volume up and down. So it works. It gives you your basic functions. You're not going to get nearly the user interface and the search options and the browse options and the more granular control that you're going to get with the Spotify app on Samsung Gear S3. But it does the job, and you can control your Spotify on your phone. So if your phone's like in a backpack or in a pocket or something, and you have your headphones on, and you can kind of, you know, jump around from song to song or adjust volume. So it's not terrible. It's okay. That's pretty much it. You can see how it was a little bit frustrating to jump around there. I usually use the Spotify on the Samsung more often, so I'm a little bit more familiar, but it's also a lot easier. So it might, I could maybe get more familiar with this, but as you can see, it's a little bit difficult. But that's essentially Spotify on Android Wear. Any Android Wear watch, that's going to be the layout. So it's not just this particular watch that I'm demonstrating here. It's going to be, you know, Michael Kors, Fossil, Nixon, and any smartwatch that's using Android Wear operating system.